Hey team, this is Salma from Discover My Business. I was searching for a car accident lawyer in New York City and I came across your ad. You're probably running your ad in New York. I don't know why it's showing here. You're from Atlanta, but you are overspending on your Google ad, and I have proof of that. Here is an example of one of our client who is utilizing the latest version of Google Ad by adding the description and also the call out extension and a phone number. A phone number is an extension on the Google ad, so it saves time for the leads, and they can just directly be converted into your potential clients by calling directly on the Google page. I believe so. You have everything on your website. The call us number, text us number, and also all the details of your personal injury lawyers. I know that, but having everything on your Google ad is like decreasing your pay per click the rate. The conversion rate is increasing, and just to minimize your budget and decreasing the CTR, and just converting your clients to actual potential clients. Here, our client has this call out extensions like no fees unless we win, accident attorney. Now having this extension is the purpose of is to, when someone clicks on this, they are actually landing on the page directly. They're not landing on the website, they're landing over here. Let's say you have aviation accidents on the website over here on the Google ad, and when they click on it, they are directly landing on that page. It's saving the time of the client, and it's actually decreasing your pay per click which you're spending on your Google ad. And I also came across your contact us form. Over here, your client, to save the burden for the client, you can just have one field for the full name. It is to save their time and to make it easier for them so that they can actually connect with you over email. And it's just to get your information and make it easier for the client on the Google ad and also on your landing page. It's just to make it easier and increase your conversion rate. Let's connect and discuss further on our free consultation call. Have a good day.